So it's Monday afternoon and we're in a winter storm warning. Doesn't look like much right now, but the warning goes until 6 a.m. on Tuesday. Let's see if it actually does anything. So I was working the night shift and now I'm home. And it's starting to dump. The bus ride was a little sketchy. So it doesn't look like much yet. What is that, like an inch? We'll see how much falls tomorrow. The snow is like a heavy snow on top of a crust, or like what's left of the mineral belt. Left! Weird conditions. Go! On by! There we go. Let's go. Look! Look! So this section was probably mostly melted off from here down the road. It's been a while since I've tried to ride over here. Good dog. No. Let's go. Whew. Come on. Go. Go! This area is no bueno, as I found out earlier. So being off the side, no good. Come on, let's go. Let me back up there. Come on. Oh. Look at that water. All right, let's go. Goodbye. What are you doing? Eating snow? Yum, 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 snow, snow.